Hello, everyone. My name is Sarandis Helmis, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Virtual Climate Expedition, an innovative lesson plan that engages students in a digital escape room to explore climate change. Through interactive puzzles and the real world scientific insights, students will discover how climate conditions have shaped our past and how can respond to environmental changes today. This lesson is part of an educational initiative linking science, history, and environmental action. The goal is to help students understand climate change through an immersive experience. The activity is aligned with Sustainable Development Goals 13 and 15, focusing on climate action and preserving life on land. For those unfamiliar, a digital escape room is an interactive problem solving experience. Students must analyze information, solve puzzles, and complete challenges to advance through different rooms, each linked to a key environmental issue. This gamified approach makes learning both fun and impactful. By the end of these lessons, students are expected to recognize the effects of climate change across ecosystems, to analyze historical climate conditions using fossil and archaeological records, and to strengthen problem solving skills while navigating the digital escape room. To run this lesson, we need computers with internet access and an escape room platform such as Genially. If available, virtual reality headsets can enhance the experience, allowing students to immerse themselves further. The lesson follows a structured approach. First, students receive an introduction on climate change using a short video and discussion. Next, we set up the escape room and explain the rules. The virtual climate expedition itself takes about 2 hours to complete. Then, students engage in question and answer session with an expert to deepen their knowledge. Finally, a debrief session allows students to reflect on what they've learned. To support educators in utilizing digital escape rooms or digital workouts, we have developed one centered on five key topics related to their overarching theme of climate change. Educators can use this pre-designed escape room or follow the basic instructions provided in the lesson plan to create their own. The five sections of our escape room are the following. First, the Arctic meltdown, which explores the laws of glaciers and its effects on polar bears. The next one is Amazon in Peril, which helps uh, pupils to understand deforestation's impact on biodiversity. The third room has the title of Coral Catastrophe and investigates coral bleaching in the Great Barrier Reef. Then it's the urban heat, where pupils learn about heat islands in major cities. And finally, ancient climates, where the use of fossils and archaeology to study past climate patterns. Students are evaluated through a reflective journal or a digital quiz. Additionally, small groups will prepare presentations on local conservation efforts drawing connections between the escape room experience and their own environment. One real world initiative linked to this lesson is the Tiny Forests in Athens project. Using the Miyawaki method, small scale forests are being planted to cool cities and boost biodiversity. This project shows that even in urban settings, we can take climate action. To take this learning further, students can organize a school-wide awareness campaign on climate change, work on reducing the school's carbon footprint by tracking and cutting emissions, and plan a field trip to study climate change's effects on their local environment. This approach ensures that climate education is not just a theoretical approach but leads to real world action. Thank you for your time. I hope this lesson inspires you to engage students in meaningful climate education using innovative digital tools. I'd love to hear any questions or thoughts you may have. Thank you very much.